Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix orange screen of days on Windows or orange screen error on your computer. You may face this problem on different Windows operating system, Windows 10, 11 or other. For this video we are going to see three solutions, basic and advanced one, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So in order to get a solution for this problem, the first solution for this video would be a basic solution. If you are facing such problems, the first thing that you will do is remove all the peripheral devices that are connected to your laptop or desktop computer. If you have a printer connected to it, a projector, a mobile, or other any peripheral device, even a mouse, if it is connected to your computer, just remove all the peripheral device and wait until for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or restart your computer. After you removed all those peripheral devices, restart your computer. If this basic solution is not helping you, then the second solution for this video will be opening your device manager and update your display adapter. So in order to do that, go here under the search icon and type here device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager opened, then search for display manager or the display adapter. So here the display adapter, so select this arrow and you will find your display adapter. So select on it, right click on it and select here update driver. So when you select update driver, it will give you two options. So select the second one, which is browse my computer for driver. So when you do that, it will give you, let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. So select that and you will find here different drivers for your computer. In my case, the first one is that I'm using right now, which is Intel HD Graphics 530, and it's also grayed out. These two, the rest of two are the other drivers. So I'm going to check each of them. So select the next one and click next, then install it, then restart your computer and check whether the orange screen of this problem is solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, try the next one. Select this one and click next and install it. Then after the installation completed, then restart your computer and check the problem. So do the same until you find the correct driver for your computer. You may find a plenty of different drivers, so check for each of them by installing and restarting your computer. So after that, if the problem is still occurring, then the third solution for this video would be using a CMD command to solve this orange screen error. So to do that, again click here the search icon and type here CMD. So here the command prompt, so right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm here by selecting yes. So after the CMD open, just type here sfc /scan now. Sorry. Then after that, press enter. So it will start beginning the process, which is scanning all the system related failures. So wait patiently until the verification will be completed. After that, you can close it and restart your computer. So here the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. Here the verification is also 100% completed. Then close the CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the orange screen of this problem is solved or not. So these are the solutions to solve this problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just check out.